I know you've seen this video and some of y'all might be thinking, oh, this is just an excuse for him to show off his haircut finally. And to that, I might say,
you're goddamn right.
Photog family and good people of Earth, I have 3 tips for studio photographers to help y'all out with y'all shots. 3 quick tips. I'm not gonna keep you long, so just listen up and stick with me. What am I saying? Keep it in there. I don't care. Oh wait, peep game, y'all. Y'all peep the microphone though. I feel like I'm on a TV show, old school Ricky Lake style. And now I'm sorry.
Deal. Let me tell you something.
Get it. Number 1, use a softbox or some type of octabox or something like that. What you want to do with studio shoots is you want to modify the light. The bigger the light source, the softer the light is on your subject, meaning the shadows fall off much softer. So use a big light source for your first time in studio or your first few times in studio. That way you get used to how studio lights and modifiers work, and your photos still look flattering at the same time. Number 2, try to use more than one light to kind of give your photo some dimensionality, if you will. You don't always want to go for the just flat look with just one lighting. Sometimes it works, but you kind of want to spice it up a little bit. So don't be afraid to use more than one light. I would stick to just 2, but if you want to use 3 and get spicy, by all means, do your thing. And number 3, wait, you seen that too? And number 3, build your lights one at a time. You have something called a main light, you have something called a hair light, and then there's another light you can use to fill in the shadows. What you want to do is use them one at a time so you see how the photo could be in its progress. First, set up your main light. That is just the first one that's broad on your subject. Second, set up your hair light. This is how you see what's being added on to the first photo with just the main light. It should only be taking care of a specific part in the frame. We say hair light because usually it's behind the subject. What do they call? Behind the subject, taking care of their hair. And if you need, then you add a third light to fill in the shadows if you want that type of look. If you want to just keep it real contrasty with just 2 lights, by all means, do that. It works, but build them one by one so you don't have just a jumble of light and everything's super bright and you don't know where you messed up. Building them one by one shows you progress. That's all you're looking to do with your photos. Progress. And just keep on shooting photos, you know what I'm saying? Just have fun, experiment, use all lights and start to use gels or whatever the case may be, but just make it fun. You know what I'm saying? This is a quick video. I showed up with the CJ Images merch. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm playing. But you can, if you want one of these though.
Calm down.
If you want to support your brother, you want one of these, you click the link in the bio. I'm not gonna do that. You know how I go. People say it all the time in YouTube videos and TikToks and all that stuff. So I'm gonna get out y'all face. And yeah, love you though. Bye.